Hello, this is Cody Carlson doing Module 4 of the KESA for AEP 855. Evaluating my high school in the first category, the first R of relationships. Our staff were pretty good. We are actually going to start a new mentoring program. We had one and we took a survey of kind of the new teachers, and they asked us what we thought was relevant and what wasn't. So next year there's going to be a new mentoring program for that. And we also do biweekly PLC meetings 2 times a month. Our students, we have character development lessons every Friday in our advisory classes, and our counselors also use a lot of data from the SRSS IEs that they get. Our one weakness would be our families. We do have the PTO, but we're trying online surveys to try and get more involvement from them. Right now, our open houses and back to school days and any family function just lacks parent involvement. So we're trying to find ways to better suit them for that. And then our community, through social media, we keep in touch a lot and kind of keep them in the loop. Our community is very supportive and they volunteer a lot in our activities. For relevance, our curriculum, we have content coaches that do a lot of data and collect it and help each subject kind of work through what they're teaching and just use the data to improve student learning. We're doing a lot of the tier intervention stuff, so that helps with our curriculum. Our instruction is kind of a weakness. We do have in our PLC meetings, we also meet with our subject groups and collaborate there. But I feel like we have a issue, it would just be a weakness of ours of just instruction. Our student engagement is good. Our students are involved in a lot of student groups, and I feel like they all interact well with each other. And then our technology, we have a one-to-one Chromebook initiative along with tech coaches, and our district has really tried to push technology with that. As far as responsive culture, our leadership, our principals give us clear expectations, and that comes from the top at the DEC Center with our superintendent and everybody. They provide us with the necessary resources to be successful. Early childhood, I feel like our family involvement and communication could be better, but as far as our buildings, I think we're there. Our district climate, especially the DEC Center, they send us surveys all the time of what we'd be interested in as far as professional development, or what we thought of the past professional development that we were just involved in. They communicate every big news with us. They do a good job of just communicating with us. And then our nutrition and wellness, we just are starting next year a different idea, I guess, of our school nurse can now fill in a doctor's note rather than our parents just calling no shows and just our students being absent all the time. So we're going to try that with our nutrition and wellness. Last one of rigor. I think our school does a great job in the career and technical education. Every student fills out completely their career cruising and understands the importance of it. Our VOTEC classes, we provide a variety of classes in that field, and then we also use Barton County to send students there as well. Our professional learning, I feel like, could be a little bit better. We do have PD days and some hands-on training, and we have coaches available, but we just are scratching the surface with what we could provide our teachers with. As far as resources as well, they take our surveys and they utilize the feedback, but like I said, we have a ways to go with that. And then data, we do a great job of pushing data and using that for ideas. Our principal's learning style, first I'd say he's very of the participative leadership theory. He has a lot of trust and values the opinions of his teachers, we have a lot of freedom to do what we think's best with our classroom. He supports all our creativities and has an open door of us and our ideas. And we kind of use group leaders of every staff, kind of instead of listening to every staff member, he just has group members of each subject or committee. And then also he's an authentic leader. He's honest and very straightforward. If you're not getting the job done with those freedoms, he'll let you know, and he makes all of his decisions based off the values of our school. One area of improvement was standard 8H, which is advocate for the school and district and the importance of education and student needs and priorities to families and communities. Like I was saying, our family buy-in is probably our weakest point right now, and we just got to keep advocating to our community and our families that education is important, and just creating a buy-in from all the parents will improve student performance and effort. Second area of improvement was standard 6F, empower and motivate teachers and staff to the highest level of professional practice. Promoting the growth mindset and modeling the importance of being a continuous learner is a very important part in just providing your teachers with the necessary resources to have professional developments that they see fit, that they want to go to. And then lastly, one more area of improvement was 10F, assess and develop the capacity of staff to assess the value and applicability of emerging educational trends and the findings of research for the school and its improvements. Like I said, we have a lot of freedoms as teachers, but sometimes I feel like that's a weakness of ours because it steers us away from using the current best practices and kind of makes us a little bit lazy as teachers, and we're lacking school improvement because we're just doing what we always did instead of looking to improve. So continuous assessment and reflection promotes trends of growth and improvement, and I think that would be very important for us as well. Those are my 3 weaknesses. I learned a lot through this lesson, and I learned a lot from you guys, so thank you very much.